Hola, good afternoon everybody. This is Lulu Shapmashpo and now I'm gonna present to you my Nanay Rita Special Biko. Woo! Guys, I've got orders and one is the owner of Bigasan and then one is the owner of grocery and the other one it's the owner of vegetables. Yung mga binibilan ko sa market. So may second batch pa to guys, but I will show you the presentation like what I'm doing on my vlog sa Lulu Parawan na vlog ko. Lulu Paraoan. Ayan, plinag ko pa. Yeah, like let's go back again. This is my Biko special. So ayan, this is actually rice. So, ang gagawin mo, magsasaing ka, but you need to get the malagkit. Pure. No rice, just plain malagkit. This is one of the expensive malagkits in the market I bought actually. So that is the touch of mango and I put some grapes. So that's it. And this is another order again. Same thing, pero ang nilagay ko hindi dahon, foil, para medyo mas classy, di ba? Alam mo naman, ma-RT-RT. So, mura lang to guys, PM me. Pwede rin dito bilao, pwede rin per piece. Alright? So, this is another one. This is really yummy, mouth-watering, sweet, and I'm sure guys, you will be shocked. This is different from others. Other biko that you can see worldwide, Manila or outside the country, yung mga Filipino. Guys, kasi ito I learned from our mother, kay Nanay Rita. That's why I called my soon na biko, it's a Nanay Rita Special Biko. That is our mom's name, okay? So ako na lang ang medyo nag-beautify, modified ko yung setup. Guys, that's why I'm doing this kasi nga I used to work in the Mandarin Oriental Hotel for 12 years. Iba-iba yun. May Shangri-La, Manila Pen, Intercon, Crown, Holiday Inn. Those are all memberships that we've got worldwide. Okay? So I'm selling the cards. Doon ko na-meet yung mga celebrities, politicians, friends ko. And I started working there 2000 until 12. Alright? So, kaya ako natutunan yung ganitong setup guys sa Mandarin Hotel. Nakita ko may pudding sila. So, yung pudding nila, meron silang fruits on top. Meron peach, mango, banana, grapes. So, that's why I copied. Alright? So, mas maganda naman, di ba? Mas classy, mouth-watering, delicious, sweetie, yumminess, all the good words for the superb food. Alright? So, ayan guys. Ang sarap niyan. Pwedeng bilao. Pwedeng per piece. Kasi yung mga bumibili dito, yung mga nagtitinda ng banana Q, nagtitinda ng grapes, sa sinisigawan ako, sabi, Tita Lu, meron ka bang biko? Sabi ko, sige, PM me. Kasi guys, order basis to. I don't normally cook everyday. Minsan nga mayroong kumatok eh. Ate Lu, pag bilang biko yung mga nagtitinda ng fruits kasi lahat sila binibigyan ko ng discounts and then sa kanila ako lagi bumibili ng fruits, alright? So, ayan. May second batch pa to guys. So, wait ko lang. Anyway guys, ako naman gusto ko lang ma-promote to kasi gusto ko makita nila kung paano yung sarap, kung paano yung style, kung paano yung arrangement, and the presentation. Look naman guys, diba? It's so classy. So, may bilao niyan. Nasa Facebook ko na, nasa YouTube ko na. You can watch it. And then, guys, I want you to hear my music. Alright? Yay! I love this music. So, this is Peter Person. Kanina si Steph Ben. Ang galing nun. Ito, jazz. This is a jazz, actually, by Steph Ben. Ayan, Steph B. Ben yan. So, yung music niya, guys, it's so classy, wonderful. And the title of this one, it's In the Air, Summer Skies. So, meron silang collaboration ni ni Mr. Peter Person, but that is step B. Alright? So, si step B meaning, siya yung step band. So, nakikita ko lang to guys. Ano bang tree to? Sarap tignan ah. Guys, listen to the music. You will love it. Ayun ang mga type ng music ko. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You know, so you can feel the happiness, the good ambience. Since pandemic pa rin, I hope we're wishing all the best in our country and all over the world. Alright? Sana maayos na yung mga nangyayari, yung, you know, the calamity, the kung ano pa, na calamity or whatever it is. I just want them all na wala na sana, you know. Holiday is coming, and then I really don't know what to say, guys, but I'm really appreciating every now and then. Alright? So, let's go back again to my food. Guys, I'm getting hungry. This is Biko. So, guys, all you have to do, just PM me, make a comment sa YouTube channel ko. I'll just read again. I'll just spell out L-O-U-L-O-U, Lulu. And then Parawan, P-A-R-A-O-A-N. Just click on your laptop, computer, mobile phone, and then, you know, go to YouTube, and then that's it. So guys, kindly click the button, make some comments, and I want good vibes, okay? Para naman ma-inlove lahat ng taong magbabasa ng mga messages nyo. And I want something to be different, guys. So yan, it's really a wonderful day. So I love you guys. You know who you are.